Hi everyone, today I will introduce you to a very practical app for iPad handwritten notes GoodNotes. Next, I will introduce 23 practical tips. If you find it helpful, please give me some encouragement. 1. Handwritten notes. Supports multiple note tools such as fountain pen, ballpoint pen, pencil, etc. You can customize the color and size, which is very suitable for taking notes quickly. 2. Mathematical assistance. GoodNotes can recognize handwritten mathematical formulas, help with mathematical operations or convert to text mode. 3. Draw standard graphics. When you hand draw straight lines, circles, rectangles and other graphics and keep pressing them, they will automatically be fixed to standard graphics, and you can select them to set the size and color. 4. Eraser. The eraser has two erasing modes. One is to erase the selected content in detail, and the other is to quickly erase continuous and uninterrupted lines. 5. Quick undo. Click the screen twice with two fingers to quickly undo the previous writing operation, or click the undo button in the upper left corner to undo it. 6. Highlighter. The highlighter can mark the key points, and the superimposed color can mark more important content without blocking the text. 7. Tape. A rectangular mask temporarily hides the content, which is suitable for covering the answer when answering questions. 8. Lasso tool. Select handwriting, pictures or text, and you can drag, zoom, copy and export. This function is very suitable for typesetting the content when taking notes to ensure the beauty of the notes. 9. Stickers. You can quickly import various stickers that come with GoodNotes to make the notes more vivid and interesting. 10. Notes. You can insert some notes to make reminders or mark key points, and you can drag them to any place on the page. Notes can also be customized, and importing from outside is more abundant and put into templates. 11. Import multimedia. You can import various formats of media such as pictures, files, links, etc. to make the notes richer. 12. Text typing. Text typing includes floating text boxes and fixed text boxes. Floating text boxes can be typed anywhere on the page, and fixed text boxes can only start from the first line. 13. Ruler. A virtual ruler that can align when drawing a straight line and can also display the angle, helps you draw standard graphics more flexibly. 14. Laser pen. It can display the pointer position or moving path, which is very suitable for lectures, demonstrations, live broadcasts and other activities. 15. Recording and playback. You can take notes while recording, so you won't miss what the teacher said in class. When playing back, you can also play the recording while playing the notes. 16. Search and locate. Search handwritten text through the search box in the upper left corner. It can automatically identify, match, and locate the content to help quickly find key information. 17. Change paper templates. GoodNotes supports a lot of templates, including Cornell, horizontal lines, grids, staves, etc., and can also customize and import some other interesting templates to make notes richer and more beautiful. 18. Page editing. Supports adding new pages, sorting and deleting pages, etc. 19. Folder settings. You can create folders and subfolders, drag notes to folders of different levels, divide the content of notes into different levels, and label folders with different colors for quick and easy search. 20. Split screen settings. Supports displaying two note contents on the left and right sides at the same time, which can greatly improve the efficiency of reading and writing. It can also be used in split screen with other apps. 21. Export and share. GoodNotes supports multiple export formats such as PDF, pictures, and native formats, which can facilitate everyone to share notes. 22. File import. Supports importing multiple files such as PDF, pictures, and GoodNotes native formats, and can annotate and fill in the content based on the original format. 23. Cloud synchronization. Supports synchronization of multiple devices and multiple systems. Changes on one device can be quickly displayed on another device, which is very convenient for switching between different devices. Well, today's content ends here. Thank you.